people, welcome to the channel, welcome to the show. Okay, so today's super healthy salads. We're gonna basically peel up some carrots, some broccoli, some spring onions on some lettuce with a bit of apple cider vinegar, olive oil, some hemp seeds, some chia seeds, and some feta cheese. So it's gonna be health and health and health and health, and I think it's gonna be delicious as well. So stay tuned. It's not going to be a very long video, but enjoy it, and we will see you tomorrow. Cheers.